Alright, so we let this sit for like 30 minutes, and when we came back, you can see the clear difference that there's like light, like yellow, and then there's like clear at the bottom. It's like grayish, and then very clear at the very bottom if you look under. Like opposite, like look at this guy. Look, you see this? You see how it's like split up? Can they see that on camera? Yes.
Okay, good. So now we have to open the test tube and add a few drops of liquid dish detergent to the oil and water mixture. So make sure we're over, we should probably put it on that stand right there because we're chemists right now. Okay, so we're going to add a few drops of liquid dish detergent to the oil and water mixture. Screw the lid into the test tube again and shake the contents until the oil and water appear to be mixed. What do you observe happens to the oil and water now? This is going to cause some interruption. So it's a few drops, about 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So put the top on.
I'll shake it this time.
Okay.
Are we supposed to shake it vigorously?
Upside down. Upside down. I mean up and down. I mean.
Okay, so it said screw the lid. Yeah, shake the contents.
Bro,
oh, it just says shake the contents.
What did you just do, bro?
Shake the contents until the oil and water appear to be mixed. Then I gotta read this paragraph about what's going on.
It looks like glue.
I think it helped it bond.
Let's show the camera. Let's show it. What do you observe happens to the oil and water now?
Guys, it's literally
everything is white.
What? So what's happening? Okay, the oil and water do not mix because water molecules are polar while oil molecules are nonpolar. Polar means that one side of the molecule has a slight positive charge while the other has a slight negative charge. Water is polar because the oxygen atom is much larger than the hydrogen atom and pulls the negative electrons towards itself. This influences the way that water interacts with other molecules. Unlike water, oils are nonpolar. This is because oils have long chains of carbons and hydrogens, which do not have This is because oils have long chains of carbons and hydrogens, which don't have different positively and negatively charged ends like water. The oil and water, here, read this last
belly on belly.
The oil and water are able to stay mixed when you add the dish detergent because the detergent acts as an emulsifier. And the emulsifier makes it so that the water and oil are able to mix on a molecular level. The ability of detergent is what allows it to dissolve oily dirt particles like greasy food stuck on a dish in water so they can be washed away.
Alright, you guys. That's the experiment we did today. Hope you enjoyed it. We did. We have to go now. So I'll clean this up because we